Hello science enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the universe. Today, get ready to dive into the incredible world of nitrogen. It's time for some mind-blowing nitrogen facts. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Nitrogen is an essential element for life on Earth. It is a building block of proteins, which are crucial for the structure and function of cells. In fact, proteins are made up of chains of amino acids, and nitrogen is a key component of these amino acids. Fact number 2. Did you know that nitrogen is an inert gas? This means it doesn't easily react with other elements, making it perfect for preserving and storing sensitive materials. That's why you'll find nitrogen gas used in various industries, such as food storage, electronics, and even in wine production to prevent oxidation. Fact number 3. Nitrogen is a major component of the Earth's atmosphere, making up about 78% of it. That's a staggering amount. So, every breath you take contains nitrogen. However, it's important to note that nitrogen gas is inert and not directly usable by most organisms. Fact number 4. Nitrogen fixation is the process by which certain bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for plants and other organisms. These nitrogen-fixing bacteria play a crucial role in the nitrogen cycle, allowing nitrogen to be incorporated into organic matter. Fact number 5. Nitrogen is crucial for plant growth. It helps plants develop healthy leaves, stems, and roots. That's why nitrogen-based fertilizers are commonly used in agriculture to provide plants with the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. Without enough nitrogen, plants can become stunted and their productivity can suffer. Fact number 6. Nitrogen is also a key component of explosives and fireworks. Its stability and non-reactivity make it ideal for creating controlled and powerful reactions. Nitrogen compounds are commonly used in the production of explosives, while nitrogen gas is employed to create the vibrant colors in fireworks displays. Fact number 7. Liquid nitrogen is extremely cold, with a boiling point of -196 degrees Celsius, that is -321 degrees Fahrenheit. It is commonly used in laboratories for freezing and preserving samples. Its low temperature allows for rapid freezing, helping to maintain the integrity of biological materials and preventing degradation. Fact number 8. Nitrogen plays a vital role in the Earth's nitrogen cycle, where it cycles through the atmosphere, soil, and living organisms, helping maintain a balance in ecosystems. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria, plants, animals, and decomposers all contribute to this intricate cycle, ensuring that nitrogen is available to support life. Fact number 9. Nitrogen has various industrial applications. It is used in the production of ammonia, which is essential for manufacturing fertilizers, explosives, and even cleaning products. Additionally, nitrogen gas is employed in industries such as electronics, metalworking, and oil refining. Fact number 10. Nitrogen gas is commonly used in food packaging to extend the shelf life of perishable items. By replacing oxygen with nitrogen gas, it helps create a protective atmosphere that reduces spoilage and maintains freshness. This method is widely used for packaging items like potato chips, coffee, and even delicate fruits. And there you have it. 10 fascinating facts about nitrogen that showcase its importance in our world and the diverse roles it plays. From supporting life to industry applications, nitrogen truly is an extraordinary element. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with fellow science enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting discoveries. Stay curious and keep exploring.